How to export a session of video from CapCut PC. So if you want to export a session from a video in CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut. After opening, go with a new project. From there, you need to go with import, which is on the upper left, and select the video. After selecting the video, now drag and drop that on the bottom. Now here, if I want to export just a section of that video, then what you need to do is simply place the cursor from where you would like to start, and you need to press I. So press I to place the cursor wherever you like, and then press I, and it will go with the start point. And now if you want to go with the end point, you need to place the cursor and then press O. After that, it will export this part that you've selected. So select the part and go with export, which is on the top right, and only this selected part will be exported. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.